Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know the secret to making juicy fried chicken? It's brining. You add 1 tablespoon of salt to a cup of water. I also add peppercorns, garlic cloves, thyme, scallion, lemon, honey, and salt. I allowed it to come to a boil so the herbs can release their flavors. Then allow it to cool and add the chicken. Of course, the chicken has been washed and cleaned. So for best results, brine overnight. So the next day, I prepped the chicken for frying. The coating was pretty simple. I whipped 1 egg in a cup of milk. Then I placed 2 cups of flour in a container and I seasoned with salt, cornstarch, and you could use any other seasoning of your choice. Then I coated the chicken in the milk and the egg mixture. Then dipped it in the flour, added a coat, then I repeated the process. The chicken was double coated and this makes it crispy. Next, I added oil to the fryer and heated it to 340 degrees Celsius. The chicken fried for about 20 to 25 minutes until they were golden brown, and then they were ready. Have you subscribed yet to my channel? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Comment below and give a thumbs up to this video. Enjoy and I'll see you next time.